Welcome everyone. In this video, we going to explore another online free learning courses. By Google, Digital Unlocked is a free platform provided by Google for those who wish to learn digital marketing techniques and apply them to their business. And you get certified by Google itself after completing a series of tests. And also there is a final assessment that you have to pass so as to get the certification. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and press the bell button to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Let's begin. By clicking the link, which I have given below in the description, it takes to Google Digital Unlocked official website. In my previous video, I even have explained a way to get the Google Digital Garage free courses. Please do check it out by clicking the on top of the card or the I button. Once you are on the Google Digital Unlocked page, scroll down, and you will see 6 main topics. Under Learn Online category. By clicking each, it redirected to another dashboard. You have to sign up with your Gmail ID and password to access and proceed further. Once you have signed in successfully, select Online Courses in the main menu, which shows the list of courses. This page shows categories, course length, certification, course difficulty, and course provider. You can filter by your choice. By selecting each category, it shows the list of courses. Now select a category, and choose a course. The course title, the provider, number of modules and the duration. To start a course by clicking the right arrow, which redirected to another page. Press the Start button to the Topic Overview Lessons page. Next, by pressing the Start Learning button. shows more learning videos and check your knowledge. That's it. Enjoy learning. You can check your learning by clicking My Learning Plan in the main menu. It shows all your attended courses and completion percentage. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very useful who is looking for online courses. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you require any particular course. I try to get it for you. See you on my next video.